Hi guys! Happy New Year! So, eto na. Gusto nyo bang malaman kung ano ang energy around you this 2026? So, ngayon, I will be getting 6 cards. So, 2 cards, beginning of the year, 2 cards, middle of the year, and then 2 cards for the end of 2026. And then 1 additional card for the lesson of the whole 2026 for this collective. So, this will be a collective reading. So, just take it how it resonates. Ayan. So, tingnan natin ano ang energies around you. Okay. Angels, ancestors, spirit guides. What's the energy around 2026 for this collective? Okay. So, etong mga energies na to, these are the current energies around you. So, this may not manifest into your reality, but these are just the current energies present. Okay? So, 2026, start of 2026, the beginning. Ano energy sa beginning? We got the star and the page of pentacles. So this 2026, etong start ng 2026, it's a time for you to start planting or investing on something na alam mong this is the start of building something for yourself. So, I feel na noong 2025, marami kang pinagdaanan, marami kang ni-release, marami kang lessons na natutunan, and marami ring nag-crumble na mga siguro binibuild mo siya ng matagal and then noong 2025, biglang gumuho and some things happened, okay? May mga nag-end, may mga nasira na mga bagay noong 2025 and ngayon 2026 it's a year of starting something new, starting investing on something for yourself for you to harvest in the long run. Okay? It's also the start to rebuild something na naggumuho or nasira or nag-crumble noong 2025. It's a year of healing. It's a year of hope. So, eto na. Babangon na tayong muli. Babangon ka na at magbe-build ka ng something na alam mong maha-harvest mo in the future. Okay? So, yan ang sisimulan mo. Di ba ang ganda na start ng taon mo? Sa start ng taon, magtatanim ka. Okay? Ng mga gusto mong i-harvest. So, posibleng magkaroon ka ng new journey sa work. Siguro, meron kang bagong work. Meron kang bagong investment. Meron kang bagong property. Meron kang literal, baka magpapatayo ka ng bahay, di ba? You start building something new na alam mong magiging stable in the long run. You are starting to build um, a stronger foundation for you. Okay? So, what is the energy sa gitna ng taon? Middle of 2026, energy, middle of 2026 energy. Okay. So, we got the 5 of Pentacles in reverse and 3 of Pentacles. So, patuloy ka pa rin magbe-build ng foundation. Okay? And this time, may mga tao nang sasama sa'yo sa pag-build ng stronger foundation. Siguro itong mga stronger foundation na to is about a foundation in terms of your connections, in terms of working with other people. And kung ano man yung mga hardships na na mapagdaanan mo this year, malalagpasan mo to and you will get the support and you will get the help that you needed. Okay? Para malagpasan itong mga paghihirap na mararanasan mo if meron kang mararanasang paghihirap this 2026. And ayun nga, itong mga hardships na to, you will turn them into something more stable for you. It will make you stronger. It will give you a stronger foundation in terms of you and your connections. So sa gitna ng taon, you are still building something. You are still ginagawa mo pa ring mas matibay yung foundation for you in the long run. So, yung mga tinanim mo nung simula ng taon, you are still making it stronger and you are seeking help naman from other people para mas matibay yung foundation kung ano man yung mga binibuild mo nung simula ng taon. Okay? So, yan ang energy mo in the middle of 2026. And towards the end of 2026, what is the energy for our collective? Okay, end of 2026. Okay, we got the Ace of Cups and the Five of Wands. Okay, so Ace of Cups, this is overflowing love, overflowing blessings. Okay, so nakikita nyo naman na overflowing talaga ang mga bagay-bagay sa dulo ng 2026. So whatever na maranasan yung conflict or siguro ito yung um, mga hindi pagkakaunawaan with other people or siguro sa sarili nyo din. May mga iba-ibang opinion na magkakaroon ng mga conflicts within your life. Pero you will be abundant. Okay? Magiging abundant yan. Deserve mo ng blessings, ng overflowing blessings. And itong mga conflict na to ay malalagpasan mo din. Okay, malalagpasan mo itong mga, kung ano man, yung mga kailangan na pag-usapan. Siguro these are importanteng conversation with other people, with the people around you, the people that matters the most. Okay, siguro ito yung mga importanteng bagay na kailangang ma-resolve. Okay, so kung ano man yung mga conflict na yun, ma-resolve siya at the end of the year. Kung meron man kayong mapagdaan ng conflicts, ma-resolve siya. And towards the end of the year, baka ito na yung harvest season nyo. Kasi ito na yung overflowing blessings. Kung ano man yung tinanim mo nung simula ng taon at yung pinapalago mo in the middle of the year, eto na. Sa end of the year, you will get it. You will receive overflowing blessings, overflowing emotions, overflowing love from the people around you. Okay, so what is the main lesson for you this 2026? We got the Hermit. Okay, so the Hermit, etong taon na to, matututunan mo ng to seek answers from within. Lahat ng mga tanong mo sa life, masasagot mo yan if you reflect on yourself. If you seek your answers within you. Okay, alam mo na yung mga sagot na yan. You have them within you. Kailangan mo lang mag-reflect, kailangan mo gumawa ng way to do introspection, okay, which is going within you para makita yung mga sagot sa mga katanungan mo. Lahat ng mga tanong mo, masasagot mo yan if you reflect on yourself. So this year, makikilala mo rin yung sarili mo. You will get to know yourself. You will go through the journey, the hermit's journey. You will seek clarity from yourself. Okay, so it's a journey of yourself. It's a journey to see who you really are, to know who you really are, and ayun, to always choose yourself. Yan ang lesson mo for 2026. And I hope na we all have a prosperous and happy new year. If you are interested to have a personal reading, just check the link in my bio. We have services there. And I am also offering a free 2026 oracle reading. I-claim nyo lang yan sa link sa bio ko. So you can receive a quick oracle reading for free sa email niya. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next reading. Happy New Year, everyone!